Afternoon, everyone. Our topic for today is all about multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Focuses on how technology is especially multimedia, like videos, images, and interactive content. And ICT, information and communication technology, has transformed the way we communicate, learn, and work in modern society.
What is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia and ICT are interconnected concepts.
Multimedia uses ICT to deliver and display multimedia content.
ICT provides the platform for multimedia to be created, disseminated, and utilized.
Advantages. Number one, access to information. The internet provides vast amounts of knowledge at our fingertips, making research and self-learning more convenient. Number two, enhanced learning in education. Multimedia tools such as ebooks, online courses, and educational videos make learning more engaging and accessible.
Yes. The first one is health problems. Excessive screen time can cause eye strain, poor posture, and mental health issues like stress and anxiety. The second one is misinformation and fake news. The rapid spread of unverified information can lead to confusion and manipulation.